Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakeasy English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you all again today.
It is great to have you back, Paul. How are you today?
I am doing really well, thank you. Actually, I have been thinking about what I like to do in my free time.
Oh, really? Well, that is the perfect topic for today, then.
Really? What are we going to talk about?
Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your hobbies and free time in English.
Oh, I love this topic. Hobbies are such an interesting part of who we are.
Absolutely. Everyone has hobbies and free time activities, and learning to talk about them is wonderful English practice.
Yes, it helps you connect with people on a personal level when you talk about what you love to do.
And it is simpler than you think. Just some basic vocabulary and useful phrases.
But before we start, please subscribe to Speakeasy English channel and give this video a like.
It really helps us so much. And please share this with a friend who is learning English.
We love hearing from you in the comments too, so please leave us a comment at the end.
Okay, Paul, are you ready to talk about hobbies and free time?
I am so ready.
Let us talk about what we love to do. So, the first thing to learn is basic hobby vocabulary. What are the most common hobbies?
There are so many different hobbies. Let me think about some.
One very popular hobby is reading. Reading books, magazines, or articles on the internet.
Reading. People love to read. Some people read every single day.
Another popular hobby is playing sports. Football, basketball, tennis, swimming, running.
Playing sports. Getting exercise and having fun at the same time.
Many people have the hobby of watching movies or television shows.
Watching movies, watching TV, entertainment hobbies.
Drawing or painting is a creative hobby. Or writing. Some people love to write stories.
Creative hobbies. Making things with your hands and mind.
Playing music is a wonderful hobby. Playing guitar, piano, drums, or singing.
Playing music. Learning an instrument. A very satisfying hobby.
Cooking is a hobby for many people. Some people love to cook and create new recipes.
Cooking. Making delicious food. A practical hobby that everyone enjoys.
Gardening is a hobby where you grow plants and flowers. Hiking is a hobby where you walk in nature.
Gardening and hiking. Outdoor hobbies that connect you to nature.
Photography is the hobby of taking photos. Learning languages is a hobby. Collecting things.
So many different hobbies. Everyone has different interests.
Exactly. There is a hobby for everyone.
Now, how do we talk about our hobbies? What are the most important phrases?
Good question. Let us start with the basic way to talk about hobbies.
The simplest way is to say, I have a hobby, or my hobby is reading.
I have a hobby. My hobby is reading. Very simple and clear.
You can also say, I like to read, or I enjoy reading.
I like to read. I enjoy reading. Both are perfect and natural.
You can say, I spend my free time reading, or in my free time, I like to read.
In my free time, I like to read. That is a great way to talk about how you spend your time.
You can also say, one of my hobbies is photography, or I am interested in cooking.
One of my hobbies is photography. I am interested in cooking. Both show your interests clearly.
The key is to be enthusiastic about your hobbies. People like to hear about the things you love.
Absolutely. Your passion comes through when you talk about your hobbies. Now let us talk about why people have hobbies. What are the reasons we have hobbies?
Good question. Why do people have hobbies?
People have hobbies to relax and reduce stress. When you do something you love, you feel calm.
Hobbies help you relax. You forget about your work and problems for a while.
Hobbies help you express yourself. You can show who you are through what you love to do.
Express yourself. Show your personality and interests.
Hobbies help you learn new skills. When you practice your hobby, you get better at it.
Learn and improve. Every time you do your hobby, you learn something.
Hobbies help you make friends. People with the same hobbies often become friends.
Connect with other people who have the same interests. A good way to build relationships.
Hobbies help you stay healthy. Active hobbies like sports and hiking keep you fit.
Yes, good for your body and your mind.
Now let us practice. Emily, can you tell me about your hobbies?
Oh, I would love to. I have several hobbies, actually.
Really? Tell me about them.
My main hobby is reading. I love to read books very much. I read almost every single day.
Every day? That is a lot. What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading mystery novels. I love the suspense and trying to guess the ending before I finish.
Mystery novels sound exciting. Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I do. I really love the books by this author. Her stories are always so interesting.
That is wonderful. How much time do you spend reading?
I usually read for about 1 hour every evening before bed. It helps me relax and sleep well.
1 hour every evening. A good routine.
I also have another hobby. I love to cook. I enjoy creating new recipes and trying different cuisines.
Oh, cooking. How long have you been cooking?
I have been cooking since I was a teenager. Now I am quite good at it. I cook at least 3 times a week.
What is your favorite thing to cook?
I love to cook pasta. I can make many different kinds of pasta dishes, some with tomato sauce, some with cream sauce.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook for other people?
Yes, I love to cook for my family and friends. It makes me happy when people enjoy my cooking.
That is a wonderful way to show you care.
Now, Paul, let me ask you, what are your hobbies?
Oh, I have hobbies too. I have a few different ones.
Tell me everything. I want to hear about them.
My biggest hobby is playing guitar. I have been playing for about 10 years.
10 years? That is a long time. You must be quite skilled.
I am pretty good, I think. I play almost every day. It is my way to relax and express myself.
What kind of music do you play?
I play many kinds. Rock music, folk music, some classical. I like to try different styles.
Do you play with other people or just by yourself?
Both. I sometimes play with friends. We have a little group that plays music together on weekends.
Oh, that sounds fun. A musical group.
I also have another hobby. I love to hike. I like to go hiking on weekends with friends.
Hiking? That is a wonderful hobby. How often do you go hiking?
I try to go at least once a month, sometimes more if I have time and good weather.
What do you like about hiking?
I love being in nature. The beautiful scenery, the fresh air, the feeling of exercise. It makes me feel alive and healthy.
Nature is good for the soul.
Yes, absolutely. After a long week of work, hiking helps me reset and feel peaceful again.
That is beautiful.
Now, let us talk about how often people do their hobbies. How do we talk about frequency?
Good question. How often do you do your hobbies?
You can say, I do this every day, or I do this once a week.
Every day. Once a week. Very clear about frequency.
You can say, I do this several times a week, or I do this on weekends.
Several times a week. On weekends. More specific descriptions.
You can say, I rarely do this, or I hardly ever do this. This means you do not do it very often.
Rarely. Hardly ever. Not very often.
You can say, I do this sometimes, or I do this occasionally. This means you do it sometimes, but not regularly.
Sometimes. Occasionally. Not a regular habit, but not rare either.
Being able to describe frequency helps people understand how important the hobby is to you.
Yes. If you read every day, that is different from reading occasionally. Now, let us do a quick review of all the hobby vocabulary and phrases we learned.
Yes, let us go through everything.
Common hobbies. Reading, playing sports, watching movies, drawing, playing music, cooking, gardening, hiking.
How to talk about hobbies. I have a hobby. My hobby is reading. I like to read. I enjoy reading.
Why people have hobbies. To relax, to express yourself, to learn new skills, to make friends, to stay healthy.
How often? Every day, once a week, several times a week. On weekends, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever.
All the essential vocabulary and phrases to talk about your hobbies.
Now you can talk about your hobbies confidently in English. Now, before we go, we have a fun question for you.
Tell us about your hobbies and free time activities in English. Write 2 or 3 sentences in the comments.
For example, my hobby is reading. I love mystery novels. I read every evening before bed.
Or, I play football on weekends. I have been playing for many years. I also like to cook on Sunday.
Any sentences about your hobbies and how you spend your free time.
We would absolutely love to hear about your hobbies.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Speak Easy English channel.
Yes, please. Give this video a like and share it with someone who is learning English.
Keep practicing every single day. Small steps lead to big progress.
We really do believe in you. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Thank you. It was such a pleasure, as always.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next episode.